He was an American record producer, musician, and songwriter, known for his innovative recording practices and entrepreneurship in 1960s. He developed the wall of sound, a music production formula he described as the Wagnerian approach to the rock and roll. Former spouse. His former spouse is an American singer who fronted the girl group, the Ronettes, with her older sister. Former spouse name Ronnie Spector. His spouse. His spouse name Rachel Short. Couple had been married since September 1, 2006. His daughter. His daughter named Nicole Spector. His daughter is an American writer. His son named Dante. His family. His son Philip Spector Jr. He had a total of 5 children. His son. Son Louis Philip Spector. Former partner named Janice. Former spouse Annette Merer. His parents. He had an estimated net worth of $30 million. He was born on December 26, 1939. He was born in the Bronx, New York City. In 1953, his mother moved the family to the Los Angeles, where she found work as a seamstress. He attended John Junior High School and then in 1954 transferred to Fairfax High School. Having learned to play guitar, he performed Rock Island Line in the talent show at Fairfax High School, where he was a student. With 3 friends from high school, Marshall, Sandy, and Annette, Spector formed a group, the Teddy Bears. After spending 3 decades in semi-retirement, in 2009 he was convicted for 2003 and sentenced to 19 years to life in prison. He began his career in 1958 as a co-founder, guitarist, and vocalist of the Teddy Bears, penning their US #1 single, "To Know Him Is to Love Him." According to BMI, his song You Have Lost That Loving Feeling is the song that received the most US airplay in 20th century. In 2004, Rolling Stone magazine ranked him number 63 on the list of greatest artists in history. In 2021, he died in prison at the age of 81.